Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Morning Gardener, and I can't win them all. Okay, so these right here, they got the, I'm up here at Lowe's, and I struck out, but I'm not beaten. These plants here are $10, might as well say $10, because they're $9.98, and you got some dead ones here, because they've been in there for months without water. Then you got the Isaiah kiwi. Now, this looks better than the one I bought that day for $6, but it's still it's under distress because it has no water. Now, I went over and I picked this one up, and I took it to a couple of the workers here at Lowe's, and was told that the plant was still $10. Now, let me show you what I took to the worker. I'll put it back over here, and it's this one here, and we're going to classically call this one here the Charlie Brown plant, because that's what a couple of the workers called it. This is mostly dead, died back from lack of water. It's struggling, it's under distress. It's dying, actually. And when I took it up there, I said, could you give me a price on this? She took it to customer service. Customer service came back, and the verdict was, boom, that's the price they want for it. No exceptions. That's the way their policy is. And so I didn't win this round. But it was interesting. I said, wait a minute. For this plant, you want $10? And they said, yeah. They want $10 for it. Now you can see all of these are pretty much dead because they lack of water. Just simple as that. Lack of water. And they all are exactly $9.98. So the Morning Gardener, just let you know that sometimes you come up short. It happens, but not in all cases. A lot of times, actually, you're gonna win and get the price that you wanted. Look at this one here. This is the first one I selected. But see, it's got dieback too. So I'm not going to purchase a plant that's under distress like this one here for that price. You can't get me to do this. So that's where I'm at. Here at Lowe's, where they do not accept any exceptions or flexibility on the price of the plants on these shelves that are dying. They will not cut back on the price, period. Because they do something else with it, some kind of ways with their policy. Was explained to me by one of the people here. So I'll keep looking, and hopefully I'll spend even less money here today. This is the Morning Gardener. Thank you very much for tuning in.